guys? Today I'm going to show you how to remove reflectors off your pedals. And the pliers you're going to need are about this big, and this. Alright, so you can, if you want to try it, you just get the big ones first, and where you see under here, you can just take the plier part, this, and dig under there. But if you don't want to do that, what you do is you get the small pliers, like the really small ones, or this size, and you can see when you push over your pedal, and you see these two right here, these two like little things, you start twisting them until you think they're good and loose, which I'm going to do mine now. Alright, so I got them off. I'll show you guys. They're broken now. And now you're going to want to get your big pliers. And you're going to want to dig on the side where your reflector is. I'll move my bike up, or just do this. The orange, you're going to want to go on the side. And you just want to kind of go in the corner and just let it go. Just let it go down there so it's stuck there like this. Then now you're just gonna want to squeeze it, and then it flies right off. Alright, that's how you remove reflectors on your pedals on your bikes, unless you can do it another way, but that's how I do it. See ya.